Alright, this is going to be an appetizer dip, essentially, I guess, or dessert appetizer, really. It's a pumpkin dip that I will have on the side for these Gingersnap cookies that I'm making. So, molasses cookies, essentially. So, this is like a pumpkin cream cheese dip, and people will be able to break their cookies and, dip it in there, or they can have it on the side and scoop it up. Either way, obviously no double dipping. This is just the mixing bowl. But this is great for, autumn themed get-togethers. You want to have some nice pumpkin-y stuff. October and November are the prime season for that, and so this pumpkin dip is going to be excellent for such an affair. I'll put the recipe in the description box and on Instagram so you'll be able to try it out yourself. Mashallah, and it is a Mennonite recipe. Alhamdulillah. Okay, now I have heated up the pumpkin dip and it's still bubbling. You can make it in bulk, and then the serving portions you want, put them in an oven safe bowl, obviously ceramic. Pop it in the oven, and then everyone can dip their warm Gingersnap or molasses cookies in them. Smells wonderful. I'll put the recipe in the description box. Again, see which one you like better. Do you like it not heated or heated? So that's up to you, really. Hopefully you'll like it as I